Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to remove the SIM pin on this device, so how to unlock your SIM card. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do that, and here we have to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down a little, and as you can see here we've got SIM card lock section, and on the very first position we've got the SIM card we just inserted into the device, so just tap on it. And as you can see on the very first position we've got option to lock SIM card, which is right now turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, so if you'd like to if you won't have to require PIN to use your phone, just tap on this switcher next to it. In order to activate this feature you will have to enter your current SIM pin, so let me do this. And let's tap on OK. As you can see right now this option is inactive, it is turned off, so it means that after restarting your device you won't need to use the SIM pin. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off the SIM pin in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.